In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share calendars in Google Workspace. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in to the correct work account so you're sharing the right calendar. On the left side, find the calendar you want to share under My Calendars. Hover over it and click the three dots to open the Options menu. From there, choose Settings and Sharing. This takes you to all the sharing controls for that specific calendar. Scroll down to the section called Access Permissions. Here, you can make the calendar available more broadly. If you choose to make it public, keep in mind that public means anyone who has access to the link or can find it if it's indexed may be able to see what you allow. Use the drop-down to control how much detail is visible when it's public. For example, you can allow only free /busy information, which shows when time is blocked without revealing event details, or you can allow all event details. Pick the level that matches your privacy needs and your organization's policy. If you'd rather not make it fully public, you can get a shareable link instead. Click Get Shareable Link, then copy the link that appears. You can paste this into an email or a chat to quickly share access. This is handy for temporary or broad sharing, but still review what level of detail the link exposes before you send it. For more controlled sharing, add specific people or groups. In the sharing settings, look for the area that lets you add people or groups and type in the email address you want to include. This is ideal for teammates or distribution lists that need ongoing access. After adding them, choose the permission level they should have. See only free /busy hides details, but shows availability. See all event details allows them to read everything on events that aren't marked private. Make changes to events lets them edit existing and new events on this calendar. Make changes and manage sharing gives full control, including changing these sharing settings. Select the least access necessary to do their job. This keeps your calendar secure and organized. When you're ready, click Send. The person or group will receive an invitation, and once they accept, the calendar will appear in their list. Remember, you can come back to these settings anytime to adjust permissions or remove access as your needs change. That's all there is to it. Quick, clear, and secure calendar sharing in Google Workspace.